Well, a nice win there for Baherna Bridge, who it feels like this dog's been around forever, is of course a veteran now, and Paul Anderson, Chris Allsop's assistant, is here this evening. It's a bit old to be running that far, isn't he?
Wow, he didn't look old, and he certainly doesn't feel old. You know, he's 4.5 now, and he just keeps going. He's a lovely old dog, and he just keeps plodding away. He's no will beater, but you know, he just goes one pace, and he looks like he go forever, like, you know. So.
Of course, New Echo was the hot favourite for that race. There was a bit of a battle between these two, but he looked to stay, even this long trip, really strongly.
Yeah, I mean, this morning, I mean, when we saw the trap draws, I didn't really know what the one was, and we thought, you know, he's not really against a massive amount of class, and you know, we thought it was a race he could win. So yeah, he's done everything we asked for him, and he's a good old dog, you know, and he just keeps going. He's not showing any signs of stopping yet. So
yeah, November 09, but you can't retire him while he's racing like that, can you?
No, like I say, he doesn't look like a nearly 5-year-old dog, and you know, he certainly doesn't act one. He's up and down in the kennels all day long, and yeah, he's a great old dog. So
You've not had much luck this year at your kennels. Are the tables starting to turn a bit now?
I think they are. You know, I think we're definitely turning a little bit. We've got a few new owners coming to the kennel. You know, thanks their support, and we're looking at buying a few new dogs now, and we bought a few over the last few weeks that we haven't raced yet, and just trialing on now. So yeah, I think we are. We're definitely turning around, and yeah, we're looking forward to the last part of the year.
Good to hear. You deserve it, and congratulations tonight. Well done, Baherna Bridge.